Jumping right in, we're editing this glam capture by Katherine Marchand with the Clean Balance preset from Direct Flash, changing dozens of global settings in just a tap. Then we'll pop over to the Direct Flash effects to adjust local zones for a dynamic approach. Starting with AI-targeted background enhanced details. If you aren't sure which options work best for your image, hover back and forth between options to compare. Skin dynamic toning is great for bringing back some color and dimension to skin that is sometimes lost to the highs of Flash. Here, her skin was pretty well preserved, so we'll pull down amount strength a touch. Now we'll direct light a bit with a bounce emulating effect, designed to draw the eye where we want it. Here we landed on silver bounce top, to up the shine on her dress and lead the eye up. Our directional film burn effects emulate the look of film exposed to light. These are white and subtle by default for flexibility. We'll talk customizing these in a moment. Film grain is a fun global tool great for adding analog texture for digital captures. Film toning adds another layer of filmy goodness that you can dial up or down to taste. Now that we've layered in some effects, I'll show you how to adjust applied layers under Masking. Here you'll see the effects you applied as labeled layers. Click a specific mask to make changes. Now I want to customize that film burn effect. To do this, I'll click on it, then select the little box next to Color under Settings and select a nice orange tone. For this image, I want a harsher burn look, so I'm pushing exposure all the way to 4. You can customize this effect in other ways, like duplicating the layer and then changing color on the original layer only, leaving the top layer white for a stronger burn and more subtle color. Or manually with the burn brush presets in Lightroom Classic using a brush or gradient mask. The possibilities are endless. We hope you have fun discovering your new go-to Flash edit with Luxe Direct Flash.